To the lads make dinner.
I'm eating the crumbs off the counter.
Alright.
Can I have some hummus?
Yes.
Hummus is a yeah.
Why did you get them?
I like hummus.
We'll all have 2 slices each. Look at that. Lad.
Okay.
You film me.
Gordon Ramsay, but nothing wrong in it. It's not from Gordon Ramsay stuff.
It's not the worst thing.
You like to have a drink?
Yeah, go on.
What if we put orange juice on it?
No, I'm not doing it now, but
Get your own. Actually, Charlie, I need you filming some stuff. Is that still fine?
Trust me, look, it's
Bacon's going in the rolls. Really annoying thing about my hob is you have to.
You have to keep hitting me! You're driving me mad!
1 pound tutorials.
Chaz, you're on bacon duty quickly. I just need to pee.
Alright, boss.
Thanks for putting my away.
Then how you do bacon? I've never cooked bacon.
This is how you eating those already. This is how you correctly season. We got hot sauces.
Oh shit, I want hot sauce.
We got this soup. I'm not sure if we got any. Yes, we still have some. Right. We've got this super hot sauce.
Oh.
We have like a drop. We got sriracha, which you can use quite a lot of. We've also got this burger sauce.
Oh, I might send burger
It's
sauce and
dirty.
hot sauce.
What else do we got? We got chicken peri peri marinade, but I don't think we're going to be able to use that.
'Cause it's
Or
chicken.
ketchup, but you're not allowed that.
Why?
Because if you have ketchup, then you're not part of the fiery boys.
Right, I'm gonna have some.
You can eat that.
That won't be very spicy, don't worry.
Are you silly?
Yeah, just spread it.
Right, stick.
Sauce can. Sauce can.
Is that all I need?
Jamie, your sauce can.
Is that all I need?
Yeah, that's quite a lot.
Oh yes, where's the burger sauce? Is that the one?
Paper towel. I'm going to get
Food review!
Right. Whoa.
But airing. It's not like we know
Here's
what
the
we're doing.
lettuce. Can you film this, please? Oh. 6.
He made it.
My spear's made up of the ocean and the sky.
Right.
Right. This is food review.
We're going to review the food that we handcrafted with all natural ingredients.
I'm gonna try with what's his name, the burger sauce first.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my god, time.
To break the law.
You've always got to crack open a cold one with the boys. Why is there
This is
2
the-
fries?
He gave me his one, he didn't want it,
Good
but then you
five.
got another one out. This is the hot sauce one. No, that's not even.
You got a sriracha one, right?
Yeah.
That's what I got.
That's the good stuff. Oh yeah, that.